Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to BESTBLESS Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare egg roll. It may be your first time of seeing this kind of egg roll. It only exists in Athens, Greece, guys. So I will get through the ingredients which we need to prepare this egg roll. I may not have time to explain the quantity because it's a little bit of confidential. Okay, in this egg roll I'm gonna use eggs, of course, cooked eggs, not hard cooked, pre-cooked eggs. Like, it's not like cook very hard. I will open it to show you what I mean by not too much cooked. Okay, I will use eggs, 4 eggs here. I will use my flour. This flour I have already mixed it my own way. The ingredients inside is a little bit of cornstarch and flour, white flour, and some cake flour. Okay, so I'm gonna use this oil. This oil is probably is meant for my hands. So melted butter, some melted butter. I'm going to use sugar, of course. This is my sugar. I'm going to use water. I don't want to lift it up so it won't drop in my ingredients. Okay, I'm going to use a bowl without nothing inside. This is what I have to remove it. So if you want, you can add salt. I'm adding salt to dilute my sugar. I don't want it to be too sugary. And if you like, you can also add your flavor. This I have lemon flavor here, and in this I have vanilla flavor. It depends on what you want to add. In my own egg roll, I don't add any flavor at all, but because of this video I'm going to go for lemon flavor. Okay, so you guys should join me and I will mix the whole thing together. So guys, this is exactly what I was trying to show you about the egg. It must not be overcooked, because why is going to be frying in a deep fryer, so you were expecting something like this. I don't, something close to like this. Okay, you can cook it a little bit more. Okay guys, so this is what you'll be expecting, so that when you are frying it, it will cook more. Set the eggs aside. Okay, bring in your big bowl, add 4 cups of this water. Let's see. If we need more water, we're gonna add it. This water is lukewarm water. So, is that 3? Yeah. The 4th one. Purple. You break in your eggs. Okay. You can break it in a different bowl. Me, I'm a professional. When it calls for professional chef, called BESTBLESS. Okay, so this is how I break in my egg. Oh, don't fall my hand, this egg now. Okay, it turns out good. I'll add my butter, my melted butter. I'll add my sugar. I'll add a little bit of salt, not all the salt. So, opa, okay. I'll mix them together. I will add my lemon flavor. Okay, I don't actually add flavor like I said. So this one, I'm just doing it. It's not how I do the one I saw, but just to smell good. So we whisk it together with the sugar and everything. When you whisk it together, you will now add your flour. So you get in turning stick. You won't turn it too much like where you're turning dough. Okay, I will be watching and see if the mixture is very good. If it's not, I will add little water. I think it's not, so I'm gonna add little water. So this is 5 cups, I think. Yeah, the 5th one. Yeah. So if you have ever tested BESTBLESS egg roll, you will know there is something different. So this is how the mixture I want it to be like. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So yeah, it's very good, it's perfect. Then you set it aside. This egg roll is without baking powder, is without milk, just these things you saw me now added. Okay, so I will take you to my deep frying to get ready to fry it. I will show you how I roll it together with egg. So guys, in this oil that is very cold, you see the oil is very cold, I will wet my hands in this oil, so I will start rolling the dough between my hands before I will add my egg. So you watch my oil in my hands, look at it. So I will get my dough. This is the quantity I'm going to use. This is my egg. I will put it inside. I will roll it. I can remove it like this and tap it together because I don't want to cause mess here. So I will drop it in my oil. Okay, if the oil is very hot, reduce the oil. Okay, this is exactly how I'm going to do to all the eggs that I want to roll. I'm running it off camera because it's very easy for me, so that I won't, you see that? This is one of the best egg roll you can eat in Athens. Okay, so if you're doing occasion, birthday party, wedding, baby shower, you want to have an egg roll made by BESTBLESS, don't forget to contact me. Okay, I will leave my contact in the description button below. Okay, so this is how my egg rolls is. Look guys, professionals, it's not copyright, the originals. Okay, so when you are good in what you're doing, you don't need to be afraid. So this egg roll that I'm making today, it has been months, years that I didn't do it because I am busy with the kids, but I still have my recipe offhand. And this egg roll was originated by me, or the mixture was my own origin. I don't think there is any person that does egg roll like this in these Athens. I don't know, or in any way. My mother used to do egg roll when I was small, but her own was different. Her own mixture and recipe was different. So it's different. When I came to this country, I find it difficult to get to know the things they use, their flour, different kind of flour. I tried a lot of things to see if I can come up with my own So I even call my mother, tell my mother, please, I want to do egg roll, but I don't remember how you do it. You know what they explain in phone is different than what somebody who was close to you and explained to you. So this is the story behind this egg roll. So when I started it, it was moving. So I use it as business. It was moving very good. This egg roll, I can make 300 pieces of it because I'm doing it with camera. That's why I'm not fast. But if I'm doing enough camera, guys, your girl can be fast. I can be fast, like to meet up the demands. So the way it is right now, I think it's okay. So I'm going to wash my hand. So it's gonna be ready around 5 minutes. I have get this sieve to turn it more often to get ready to remove it from the stove. Hi, thank you. If you have just watched my videos now, guys, please, thank you for passing by. Don't forget to share, like, comment down below.